So today in data science tutorial day 2, I'm going to present some very interesting and summarized and easy to understand things. And anyone who is class 10 pass with some passing marks, they can easily understand what is data science and work in this field. So data science, you have seen how it works. Now you can also understand the difference between data science and statistical analysis. Now, statistics for data science, there are two kinds of statistics which are required. One is called descriptive statistics, which is quite easy and used in daily life activities. Second thing is called inferential statistics. So types of statistics are descriptive and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics includes measure of central tendency and measure of variability. So in central tendency measurement, you mean go for mean calculation, mode, and median. While in measure of variability, you calculate the range, variance, and dispersion. So this is descriptive statistics. Now, in terms of descriptive statistics, you can easily see what you need to calculate. So mean, mode, median, bar charts, pie charts, infographics, queries, so quartiles, standard deviation, error bar plots, all these things you can do it easily. Now it comes to, if you want to go for something about inferential statistics, which is also simple, but there are some in-depth application. It uses sample data to draw conclusions and make prediction about a larger population, which involves using probability theory and statistical models to generalize findings from a smaller group to a larger group. This is in contrast to descriptive statistics, which simply summarizes and describes data without making broader inferences. And the examples could be clearly see here, mean, median, mode in descriptive. Here you can go for population, sample, and then some conclusion, drawing conclusion by using some inferential approach. And if you want to understand in very short how it could be applied for case study, then here you can see describes the characteristic of data. For example, population frequency of the variables. Here studies the sample of the same data, for example, grade, percentile, and now you can see more details how it could look like if we are talking about descriptive, median, mean, median, then mode, mean, median. Then it is like positive skew, negative skew, symmetrical distribution exactly in the middle. The mean and median and mode are present. Now, variability. So what is variability? Descriptive statistics like histogram, box plot, pie chart, range, variance, standard deviation, quartile, the mean, median. These are so simple statistics that anyone can do. And thus, a class 10 level student who have passed out class 10 can easily do the data science work. So this is most of the 90% of the cases data sciences needs. Now it comes to inferential statistics, some kind of theorem approach, makes some conclusion. For example, central limit theorem. Here you can see this is what it is saying. No matter what the shape of the population is, the distribution of the sampling distribution will be normal if n is large. And this is like could be done by using different packages or theoretical approaches. So central limit theorem, hypothesis testing, ANOVA, and some other approaches. Now, what are the skills you need to have? By the way, for such statistical approaches, there are already built software. The companies who are taking the work from your side, they have the inbuilt softwares. You just need to understand what are these small terms and system. That's it. Now, skills, technical skills. You need to understand math, programming skill, domain knowledge, algorithm, some basic algorithm, machine learning algorithm, genetic algorithm, evolutionary algorithm, programming, any basic coding you need to understand. And if you have a good teacher, they can teach you the coding in just 5 to 10 days, and you will be able to write your own code in 5 to 10 days, and you can master yourself within maximum 30 to 45 days on your own if you are seriously looking for your careers in data science. Then you can do it in 30 to 45 days only. So what are these some technical terms the data scientists need or data operator needs to be familiar? Machine learning algorithms, programming, machine learning, there are different rules and then different things you need to know. Then it comes the strength is your domain knowledge, data analysis, presentation, representation of the data in terms of figures, and make some conclusions. So you need to understand these things. So understanding data is also one of the most important thing. Now, analytical tools using unstructured data. Are you familiar with the structured, unstructured data or not? Non-technical skills, strong business acumen, communication skills, intuitions. If you have these things, you are free to enter into data science. And that's overall what you need to know about data science and enter into data science company or job. And that's overall thing. Thank you very much.